So these two are not far from the previous two, maybe 40 or 50 feet. So that makes this quite a cluster of payphones, doesn't it? So these are also on Steinway Street. And these are the newer type of booths. And these actually resist graffiti better than the older ones. Or at least that's my impression. This one has a really beautiful sticker on it though. This almost made me cry. Some pandemic sign of hope or a positive message in these not so positive times. So let's look at this one. No number shown, no dial tone. That's the nipple keypad style. The coin return thing probably wouldn't work even if you tried, even if you wanted your coin back. Push for coin, that always makes me think that there's always going to be a coin in there, but it's only when you get it returned. And here's the bigger push for coin opening. The Verizon brand remains on this, but Verizon got out of this business a long time ago. Yeah, no dial tone on this one either. Number is sort of barely visible. This one is kind of gets in the way of this outdoor dining setup. I bet you these restaurant owners would like to get this thing out of their way.